Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try to not move too much. Okay, I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. So let's wait. Okay, now it turned off, so we need to wake up the screen. To do it, press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. In the menu, find the blood oxygen icon. It's this one next to the heart rate. Tap on it to open the SpO2 widget. And now I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor and tap on the measure button to start the measurement. And after a couple of seconds you should have your result, like this. You can tap on the done button and here you have the graph of the whole day basically and results from them. And then you can also tap measure to measure it again if you want. You can also enable the automatic measurements for the blood oxygen. To do it, you need to grab your phone that is paired with your watch, open the Mi Fitness application on it. In the app, you need to tap on device. Here you need to scroll down, find the blood oxygen option and tap on it. And right here we can enable the blood oxygen measurements. We can tap on this option, blood oxygen measurements, and we have three options: off, this keeps it turned off, during the sleep, so basically if you're sleeping, it's gonna check your blood oxygen levels, and all day if you want to do it for whole day. And we have a frequency option. You can set it to 30 minutes or 10 minutes. Remember that if you enable this feature, it's gonna reduce your battery life on your watch quite significantly. But if you want to use this feature, simply that's how you enable it. I'm gonna now disable it and close the app. Okay, and that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.